Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a welcome message in which it would tell us about the time, for example, morning, afternoon, or evening, and it would also tell us about the time at which the report was refreshed. So let's get started. Creating the welcome message includes creating a table for the refresh time, and then we have to create a few measures, and then we can concatenate those measures and display the greeting message. So the first step is to create a table. We'll go to transform data and we will use our M code to create that table. Here we would right click, we will go to new query and then blank query. And then we are going to go to advanced editor and we are going to paste this script. This is basically showing us that it was last refreshed at datetime.local now. It shows us the local time. And then we are converting it to the table. We are putting the column last refreshed, and then we are renaming the column as last refresh timestamp, and then we are putting the type as date time. Once we click on done, we will have this refresh time here, which is 12th of March 2025 10:54 p.m. It's the local time. And then we are going to right click, rename. You'll give it a meaningful name, for example, fact_refresh time, enter, and then close and apply. Then we'll see that we've got this table fact_refresh time in our data tables. Now we have to create a couple of measures. The first measure that we would create, it would be the refresh time. So we would right click here, we click on new measure, last data refresh time. We are giving it some name which tells about the data refresh time, and then we are going to say max last refreshed timestamp. So now if we select a card visual and we put the last data refresh time in it, we can see the time here. Let's go ahead and create the second measure, which would be for the greeting message. You would right click, new measure, and let's call this measure as greeting message equal to var underscore current hour equal to hour now. By doing this, what we are doing is that we are taking the hour of the current time. So for example, if it was 10:54 p.m, so we are taking 10 as the hour, or 22, and then we are going to say var underscore time of day equal to, then we are doing a switch because now we have to see whether it's morning, afternoon, or evening. So we will type true and underscore if the current hour is greater than or equal to 0 and the current hour is less than 12, then it would be morning. Otherwise, if the current hour is greater than or equal to 12 and let's say current hour is less than 18, then it would be afternoon. Otherwise, it would be evening. And then we close the bracket, and then we close the parenthesis, and then we are going to type var underscore refresh time. Here we are going to bring in that last refresh time that we created before this measure, and we are going to say return. Now it would be good space ampersand underscore time of day ampersand inverted commas exclamation mark. Here's the report I refreshed at space and ampersand again, underscore refresh time, ampersand. That's it. Enter. And then we are going to select a card visual, and let's bring in this greeting message. So here it shows, good evening, here's the report. I refreshed that 12th of March 2025, 10:54 p.m. We can then decrease the size of the text, let's say 11 or 12 for example, and then we are switching off the category label. So here it is, it's ready. Another method is that we can use the text box in case if we want to keep it like on the left hand side or in the center or on the right hand side, it's up to you. So then in case if you want to use the text box, we will click on text box, value, and then we are going to write greeting message. So greeting, and let's have a look if it brings it up. Greeting, no. Greeting message, yes, and save. Now we've got this one. Now in case if I want to refresh this Power BI report, we'll see that this time would change to the current time, which is around 11:02 p.m. Once we refresh this, now it's 11:35 p.m. So this is how we create a greeting message and also include the report refresh time. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and please let me know in the comments what are the other topics that I can make videos on. Thank you.